Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to back up WeChat. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open WeChat on your mobile device. Tap on the Me icon at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on Settings. Here, under Privacy, select My Information and Authorization. Tap on Export Personal Data. Once you have done this, your data will be exported to your email and you should be able to back up and restore all your data. And that's it. This is how you back up WeChat. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.